Hello friends, so today we will develop this animated circle. Along with this text will appear once this animation will done. So I am reloading this page. You can see this animation is happening. Once animation is complete, hello world is appearing. Okay. So I am going to my text editor. I am using VS Code. I already installed Create React app and I am using two extensions here. Actually, there are many extensions I have, but basically two configuration Prettier and ESLint have been enabled. Prettier is just for prettify my code, and actually Create React app already provide a ESLint configuration, but that configuration runs over terminal and in the browser. That does not did linting over our text editor. That's why I've been added ESLint also. And this is my setting.json. You can quickly add these configurations to be here. So let's start. Command Shift E. So these shortcuts will be very handy during the development. Command L, delete. So these are app.js. Control S, React component. I will say hello world. Control S. It's working. Okay, so first of all, I will make the circle. So how can we make this circle? I will give class name to be circle. Okay, and then I will go to my app.css. First of all, I will include this app.css here. Sorry, import, or we can use Control Shift R. Import no modules name. This one, app.css. Done. Now I will go to my app.css. Command P, app.css, second one. So here already we have a lot of code. I am removing all of this. Okay, now my circle is, so first of all there's a div, so I will give width of 100 pixel, then height of 100 pixel, and background color. So command P and command P. Okay, and so we can see side by side. Okay, so this is a circle. Hello world. Now you can see this is rectangle right now. So what we can use, border radius 50%. Save. Now it is circle. Hello world is looking ugly, so I am removing it. So now our aim is to keep it in center. How can we do that? So we can go in our app.js, wrap with diff and id container, or we can also give a class name here, class name container. So if we are using class name, so we can reuse this css also. So dot container, so how can we keep this one into the center? So first thing, will give to be height 100 viewport height, then display flex, then justify content center, align items to be on center, we have an hello world. So but this hello world is not centered, so we will keep it in center. So this hello world, we will put first of all text align to be center. Okay, it's centered. Then I will give line height to be 100 pixel. Yeah, done. So now we have an, I am giving it 200 pixel and also to be 200 pixel. Okay, and also line height to be 200 pixel. Now it's looking good. Now next thing is we have to add the animation to be here. So what we are doing is I'm making one more class is to be message and keep this one to be here. And we will keep this one to be here. So now we have a container. This whole container will put display suffix and we have a message font size 20 pixel or something else we can give. So this is message. Okay, so we have a message, but that message, okay, so actually this is 200, it should be 200, it should be 200. Okay, so we have a message, we have a circle, we have centered. So what I will do is I will make component did mount and say, so here on load this dot set state, so circle will be true, and I am using constructor to be here. So Control Shift R constructor. So circle false, initializing it to be false. So when this circle on load, I will make it true. So there is one more class, let's say. So circle, this is also in class. So circle class, you can say, it will remove the confusion that so circle is in a state and so circle is a class. Okay, so I will do width to be something like this, background color and border radius. So we have something. Control X. This one. Other question is, you can see this message is going to be somewhere else. So I'm also taking one more state is so message. So message is false. So right now so what is so message here? So I will use CS so message. This is state dot so message. Initially it will be false and it will enter nothing. Okay. Here I will use one more npm package, class names. So just add yarn add class names. Then I will import class names as an class name, and we'll put here cn so we'll put circle message and so circle is to be on basis of this state so circle. Okay, so these are So now it is done. But what is happening is onload animation is not happening. So what I will do, set timeout after 0 minute, just okay, animation is still not happening. So okay, so why this animation is not happening? Because I've been not write the animation code. So initially width was 0 pixel, then width was happening this one. If I will reload the page, so actually this is happening from 0 to, but animation is not happening. So we can write transition will be width 3 seconds and height of 3 seconds. This is the transition property, and so let's try. Okay, so now it's working. So what I'm trying to do is, uh, so initially the width height was 0, there was background color or something, so it was not showing. But after this I am just setting his width and height here, and message is still not here because I am dealing with so message is false, so I have been not put it to be true. So when I will put this one true, once this animation will complete, so this transition will complete. So there's a property which we called window dot, or we can say document dot add event listener. We get transition transition, and transition is true. This dot so message. So actually this is not the function. So here I will write, okay, so message, and I will use arrow function. So no need to bind this. After this I will put this dot set state here and so message to be true. So I am loading this page, animation is done, but so message is still not showing the message. So why it is not showing the message? Okay, this one we have an hello world. Something is problem with CSS. Let me inspect this one. Console element circle so message font size text line, everything is right. Okay, so I have been given the class name of message, MESSAGE, and this is also right. So let me inspect this element. We have a circle message so circle, but Okay, there's nothing inside it. So it means this set state is not calling. So transition properties, I think, uh, add event listener, uh, transition, transition, uh, so transition. I think something is mistake in spelling. Yeah. So I think transition, transition. E and D. So here this should be E and D, I think. Ah, yeah. Now it should work. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, done.